Hello, and welcome to my Week 5 presentation on balloon geometry. Introduction. Molecular geometry is the three-dimensional arrangement of the atoms that constitute a molecule. It includes the general shape of the molecule, as well as the bond lengths, bond angles, torsional angles, and any other geometrical parameters that determine the position of each atom. In this picture, you will see linear, trigonal planar, bent or angular, tetrahedral, trigonal pyramidal, trigonal bipyramidal, and octahedral. And in the next few examples, I have picked 5 of the above. For my first example, we have linear. Linear has 2 electron domains, which are arranged in a straight line or 180 degrees as pictured in both pictures. There are 0 or 3 lone pairs. The bond angle is straight or 180 degrees, and my example is carbon dioxide and beryllium hydride. For my next example, we have trigonal planar, which has 3 electron domains, 1 atom at center and 3 atoms at the corner, as pictured in both of the pictures with the balloons and then my example. Central atom is bonded to 3 surrounding atoms. There are 0 lone pairs, and my example is nitrate, which is NO3. For the next example, we have tetrahedral, which has 4 electron domains, and it is a bond formed by a central atom to the substituents and is 109.5 degrees, 0 lone pairs. When 4 atoms are bonded to a central atom with no electron pairs, as pictured in the balloons, and my example is phosphate, which is PO4, as pictured above the balloons. My next example is trigonal bipyramidal, which has 5 electron domains. Central atoms must be in the 3rd or higher period of the periodic table. There are 0 lone pairs, and my example is phosphorus pentafluoride, which is PF6, and is pictured over here. For my final example, we have octahedral. There are 6 electron domains. Compounds with 6 or more atoms or groups of atoms or ligands symmetrically arranged around a central atom. There are 2 lone pairs. The geometry is square as pictured with the balloons and for my example. And my example for this specific example is sulfur hexafluoride or SF6, which is pictured here. Thank you.